everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 12th to the 14th of August 2024 on Monday. When Gwenzo lies to Nomalanga about his whereabouts, she takes matters into her own hands and heads off to confront Sibongile at Jen's offices. Gwenzo is distraught when Nomalanga calls him with bad news, and Velepi is sick and tired of everyone making an issue about Sibongile being in varsity, so she decides to do something about her life on Tuesday. Gwenzo unleashes his rage on Sibongile, blaming her for the bad news. One pickles and discovers when Thulisile comes to share an invite for breakfast. Phetheni honors the invite, put on the fake smile, and learn that she is the talk of the neighborhood on Wednesday. Nomfundo confront Phetheni about how Themba was treated by Phetheni. Velepi tests out her beauty product on Sangweni, and he is displeased when someone sees makeup on his face. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.